See, college life give you more freedom that whichever subject you want you can study, but in school life there is a restriction that you have to study this subject which is not oriented to your career. But in college life the overall all of the subject is your career oriented, and you build a decision making skill very well, and you are able to handle a pressure and the last minute pressure that you can handle easily, that the college life teach you.
College gave us more mental pressure. Like I am a biotech student, so I have a lot of syllabus. It means around 27 subjects. This is too much to a student, but in school it is not too heavy. So that's why schools doesn't have too much mental pressure on a student. We have a happy life.
If you don't face a pressure, then how you will be able to become a mature and a confident person, that you can learn the ability to handle a pressure. If you always that it is so much pressurized to me, so I can't face it, it is not a good thing.
First of all, I would like to tell you that pressure is not sufficient for for becoming a good person in our life. And let me tell you first thing that there are two types of stress: eustress and distress. Eustress is a good stress, but distress is a bad. And in our school life, eustress is eustress is good, but in college life, distress is bad as it can. That not we can't grow up if we don't want to take.
What is you pressure and what you told that? What is meant by you pressure?
You pressure? I don't tell by you pressure. I tell you the you stress.
You stress.
You stress.
Okay.
That means the pressure which comes which is good
Yeah.
in our life.
Okay.
But distress means that the pressure which is not good in our life, which affects our life.
Which type of pressure you faced in a school life?
I don't feel any pressure because I have only 6 subjects in my school life, and that's enough to fall. And in college life there are too many subjects.
Maturity isn't about the pressure. It's about your freedom of thoughts, freedom of doing work, freedom of working in a healthy environment where everyone is supportive to you and you can manage everything, and you can imagine and work in a right direction. Pressure breaks your mental strength, not build up.
If you want to become a successful person, so if you do not take a pressure, so you want to become, how you want to become a successful person? Every work wants to hard work, need to hard work.
Let me tell you, every work wants hard work, but every work does not want the hard work with pressure. We can do every work without any pressure.
But every field are very competition field. Like if you do NEET exam, so in NEET exam competition are very highly. So you take pressure and handle pressure. So you want to become a successful person.
Okay, so understand what I will say to you. You are sitting here as a competitor against me.
Yes.
So then, are you facing a pressure?
Yes.
Are you facing a pressure? Okay. You are facing a pressure, but it will be harmful to you.
It will be
harmful to you.
Yes.
You should not take the pressure. I am sitting here as a student, as a competitor against you, but I am not feeling any pressure.
We have doing any business, we have not take pressure, we have take hard work. We have doing hard work for doing any business.
Doing any business.
And studies.
And smart
Both.
work also.
Smart work also. And school life, I think school life is better than college life because we have no pressure, we have many friends, and because I am a college student, and I think school life is better than college life.
Bro, but college life is better than school life, because if you want to become a sportsman, so in college help you to achieve your goal. But on the other hand, in school do not provide any sport, so everyone is not perfect in study. So in college you should choose our sports and create a future in sports.
I also play cricket in my school. So why would you tell there is no sport in school?
But in college you want to choose more sports. In school like was only play cricket.
School life better than college because my school always support my team and football team. I am state level champion also, and my team always support me and my 5 candidates, and I pass out in my college. So I don't know, college life is better than the school life. That's it.
The last thing, success does not demand pressure. It demands right direction and a good knowledge. Pressure breaks you mentally and physically, but the knowledge gives you the wisdom to work in the right direction.
See, in school life, you doesn't get a real world life exposure. Means you just stuck in a typical friend circle, and in college life you meet a different kind of people with different countries with a different knowledge, and you explore opportunities. You do an internship. You do a workshop, you give a real world life exposures, but in school life you doesn't get this kind of things. You just stuck in a particular theory subject. You just doesn't get a practical knowledge of a subject. Just you read maths, is English, physics, chemistry. It doesn't give you a career oriented studies, and that's why I favor in a college life.
You are right, but every college does not provide you these facilities. If you want to get these facilities, you said you have to choose a high level college where fees is too much high. Not everyone can afford the college. That's why people took loan from the bank. Some people didn't get the loan, and some can't able to pay the loan.
And
That's why every college does not provide freedom education from IPPG college campus too.
You doesn't get a exposure.
It gives, but not the higher education, higher qualities like you are saying, to the interaction with foreign country peoples or the
Not a foreign
companies.
countries people. It's with a different cities people.
No, it's not a.
I am in 9th class.
Yeah, that's why if you go in 11th class, you also have a criteria for
I am also in 11th class, and I go to school only 30 to 40%.
Achha. You are recently in 11th class?
Yes.
How many months it's done when you come in 11th class?
There is 5 months. No, oh sorry. There
2
is
months.
3 months.
3 months. And how many days you go? When?
I go for 3 weeks.
For 3 weeks. Because in initial days, the studies pressure is very
No,
much.
you are wrong. The study pressure is starting from the first day of the life of class.
I don't know which kind of school you are studied at. There is no.
I am.
particular
I have taken PCM in my 11th class.
because in which school I studied, there is a attendance criteria. That's why I used to go daily.
In my school, there is not any attendance criteria. There is a knowledge criteria, which is only for the students. Only students have.
Didn't you see the CBSE guideline?
I have seen. I know the CBSE guideline, and I know all of the things about the CBSE. You are in
So
college
did
life.
you see the guidelines? That is all about the.
Yes, I have seen that.
So what about you think? What do you think about this?
I think about that knowledge is important than attendance, because due to attendance you can complete your 75% attendance
Similarly,
criteria.
it's also valid in a college. You can also skip some days while going to the college.
So why are you arguing with this topic?
Because
We are not saying colleges are completely bad. College is also good. It provides us a higher level education and give us more ways to do in our life. But the topic is which one is better. In our opinion, the school is better. People are saying college give you freedom. I mean, is school putting in your jail? School is also
yeah, there is
school.
so much cases. There's a school student in a jail.
Come to my college. They are fixing the CCTV. One second.
We are not talking about particular college or particular school. We
Come
are
to my.
talking about general things.
I am talking to you my personal opinion. It's not about every college. You can't say you don't know about my college.
Why
You
are
don't
you
know
talking
about-
about your college? We are talking about all over the world college.
Okay. How can identify in which college do you study? What is the environment of your college?
What is the
There is one school college, JSPG college, and I am studying IPG college. The difference is from earth to clouds. The difference is very big.
My question is this: how will you get a real world life exposure in a school life? Just tell me this thing.
We are not in jail. We have more options to get exposure. If a child going to school, we can't expect from him to he will learn fluid mechanics. Okay, he will he will able to speak English. It's depend on time, but our opinion is also schools are far better than colleges.
Enjoyable and friendly naturally, and teachers very support all our students, and many games and computerized and knowledgeable.
College life is a better because you have college done, then you have achieved goals your dream. So schools in study only done, you have not achieved your goals and dreams. So
I am saying that the goals are starting from zero, not from the beginning, not from the middle. We can achieve the goals from zero. Like when you were a student, you joined school. So why you don't join college? You have said that there is a pressure on the students that they study hard the day before the exam. Then why they study before the exam? Why they should not prepare themselves before the exams are approaching?
Because in a college life, it's not only about a subject. There's a lot of things. We have to do internship, we have to do workshop, we have to attend event. There's a lot of things. It's not only about a subject.
I feel the experience of college life because I am a college student, and many seniors taking ragging of junior students I have seen.
That's great.
It's really.
In school, seniors do not ragging the students.
How can you say this? That it is not happening.
Have you ragged in your school?
See, I am not done this, but it's not a thing that it is not a happened.
We are not
It's a, what?
We are not ragged to in school, but in college happened. She said you have to take action against seniors. What will you do? Your seniors will make a group outside the college and they will beat you hardly, and you can't file a FIR because they are covering their mouths. What will you say in the police? That's why college is too much pressure on the students mentally, physically, and financially.
That's why you are not strong.
What?
That's why you are not strong because you don't action.
You are saying that he is not strong.
I am. Suno. How can you define I am not strong? Tell me.
Because you have.
So why
I am not looking to
so
strong.
why you are go to college?
I go to college to study.
In college,
As I go to school, I study.
seniors are ranking. So why you are go to college?
Let me tell you that why we are going to college. You know that there is a step by step we are rising up in our life. You know. Then why are you asking this question to us?
But
there are many
in college,
disadvantages and
in
advantages.
college senior are ranking.
which one provide better friendship, college या फिर college or school? Which one provide
Overall, college
better
life is a memorable
friendship?
journey. That overall college life is a memorable journey that helps and grow professionally and personally
Journey memorable. Oh. So
while creating unforgettable memories, friendship.
College have also real friends, but
Can you say this?
people. I said college has also real friends, but not all the same. People are making friendship with their own purpose, with their own benefit.
You have in your school life, this is very small and it is not a diverse because there is a same thinking oriented people that you met in your school, but in college you met a different kind of person with different mentality, with a different approach, and you got a exposure of different countries people. That's why I think that the people and the friend circle you made in a college is much better than a school life.
How can you say school student has not student have not a diversity? Because in the school people, someone wants to be an army man, someone wants to be a doctor, someone wants to be an engineer, scientist. But in the college, if you are going to college, you are a computer science student. Everyone is a computer science student. Where is diversity? But in the school class has lots of diversity.
How? There is also some, all of them are PCM student. How can you say they are?
I am studying in 8th class. I wanted to be a doctor. He wanted to be a engineer, scientist. But in the class I am studying biotechnology. Everyone want to be a research scientist or biotechnologist.
See,
Where is the diversity?
Initial class there is people doesn't know the knowledge about that what they want to become and what they are studying. They just study their fifth subject, that math, computer science, computer English. That's a fifth subject. But in college you have to study a practical oriented subject and you gain a more practical knowledge beyond the theoretical knowledge.